My first impression of this water bottle is how multifunctional it is. You can carry it here, and you can also have it on your shoulders, crossbody, or on both of your shoulders like a backpack. And here's the second padding for it. There's second lid as well for as a drinking option here, and they both have an extra strap here on the lid. Then the insulated glove here is so easy to take out and inside, and the bottle also has the measurements in the front. It also offers a little spot here for your keychain. The touchscreen pocket here is a great addition, and there's a little small pocket as well, maybe for a credit card or to hide something there. And the color is just gorgeous. It's very nice green, and it's very nice, easy and nice to the touch. Here I'm really impressed. A quick disclaimer: I received this product free to try.